how to fix Adobe account not recognizing subscription. So very first thing you want to do is simply sign out of your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app or the web browser. Then for that, you're going to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then from there, you'll actually be able to see sign out of your account, and then again come back to your adobe.com. Then from there, sign back in using the exact email address associated with your purchase, right? So after doing that, if that did not help, then you can try to go to your Adobe account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see manage account. You can simply tap on manage account. Then from here, you'll actually be able to see plans and payment. Tap on that one, tap on plans, and from there you're going to now verify that your subscription is actually active, right? So after making sure that, now the thing that you are going to do lastly is, if you're using the desktop app, you can close the Adobe applications and run the Adobe limited access repair tool, or log out and log back in to force a license refresh. And then after that, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix that Adobe account not recognizing your subscription. So yeah, that is it.